Hello, I want to show you a couple of Emacs I've been working on. First, Slime Help. Slime Help is an Emacs extension that provides better description buffers. So we can browse the current system loaded, like this, Slime Help. And, sorry, I want to do this. And for each system, we can see the list of dependencies and packages. And so, for example, for each package, we can see the exported definitions, classes, macros, functions, generic functions, variables, and so definitions are shown like this. With docstrings are highlighted, and you can follow links between them. Okay, like this. When a function is mentioned or a variable is mentioned, docstrings are parsed and links are generated. And so I think they look pretty cool. And we also have a couple of buttons like going to the source, inspecting references, disassembling, etc. But also we can search for documentation. So we have the operation. We have browse systems, browse packages, like this. We can browse all the packages of the system, all packages of the loaded in the image. Okay, I have a problem with that now. Okay, I don't know what's going on there, but it works, believe me. And we can also search for documentation. We can search for documentation looking at docstrings too, like this. This looks into docstrings and finds the matches. Okay. The other extension I wanted to show you is Quicklisp systems. That is for listing or quickly these systems available. We have a menu here. It downloads a package from the internet, a file from the internet, with a list of all the systems. And once you have that, we can browse for each system. The dependencies are shown and can be also navigated. And also, of course, you can load the systems, right? Another thing you can do is that is very useful is to search. So, for example, I want to look at web stuff, so I do this, and I get a list of related packages. For example, like this. Right? And we can also search by author and search by name. Okay, by author is interesting. Search by author. Well, that's it. Let's see. Let's try to load one of the systems. Flow is loaded. Okay, so they are here. Have a look if you can. Thanks.